Greetings. This is going to be a video walkthrough of how to create a practice exam using the most up-to-date book. So you're going to first log into your instructor Cengage account. Then what you're going to want to do is search for the book that we've been instructed to use. So if you're trying to find the CCA prep, then you'll type in, if you just type in CCA 2022, it will pull up here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. And then I'm going to click the plus sign here. And then you're going to go over here to My Library and you'll see the book that you have added, and then you're going to create the course. The course name, so you can just name it whatever course that you are linking the exam to. So I'm going to name mine MCCG 146 Practice Exam. And then start date, it's going to require that. So I'll just go ahead and put in today. Then put in a couple, at least until the end of the following year is my recommendation. And then for the instructor or TA, go ahead and type in masters at bryantstratton.edu to add them as an instructor. And so then you'll click this check mark right here and then click on finish. Make sure that you are using a Firefox browser as well. And then once it's created, you're going to go to My Courses. And then you're going to go in here and go click on this pencil. Sorry, you're going to click on the hyperlink. And then it's going to take you directly into the course. You're going to go to click on edit, and then what you're going to want to do is go over here to this IQ. And then you're going to go to new quiz. Quiz name, you're going to name it practice exam. You want to customize the test. The test time should be 1.5 hours. Show correct answer. Then you're going to hit create. Then you're going to click on select questions. And then you're going to start choosing the questions from your class. So depending on what class this is, for mine, for example, it is the CPT coding. So I only want to have topics on this test that are pertinent to the coursework. So things could be in actually all 3 or all 6 of these different domains. So to select one, I'm just going to go through a couple things. Like this particular section, it has 218 questions. I'm going to go through and just read the different questions and just pick what's applicable to the course. Again, this is really easy to just add, and then you can always go back and remove. Once you're done with this particular section, so if I want to look at a different domain, then I would just X out of it and then choose a different domain. Again, make sure that you're only selecting questions that are pertinent to your coursework. So since this is CPT, I'm not going to ask any questions related to CM coding, but only topics that were discussed during the lectures and the coursework. So if you have any questions, just let us know. Once you've got your test created, then what you're going to do is go in here to add, create, and then you're going to add an activity. And then you're going to come down here to the inquisitive assessments. And then you're going to pick the one that you created. So you'll pick this one, whichever one. And then it is gradable. You're going to want to do the max score of 100, and it should be 2 attempts based off of your course build. We did 2. And then you'll want to select the best, and then you'll just hit create, and then you should be good to go. And then again, you'll create the course correction to notify that this has been completed.